important in dramatic play to have a variety as opposed to just having princess dresses to dress up in.
So it's really important for kids to not only be able to see themselves and the things that they're familiar with, but it's also really good for them to see other cultures, other abilities, other genders.
So it's really important for children to be able to relate to the things that they are seeing in the classrooms, be able to see themselves within the dress-up materials, or even maybe the foods that they're eating, or the books that are maybe available in the dramatic play space, just so they can understand that there are people like them out there. And our world's filled with a lot of different people.
I'm most excited about children being able to use diversity materials. We have traditional clothes that they can try on and play and pretend that they travel, that they communicate with people across the world.
So one thing that I did add was artwork from different artists from different walks of life. My thinking process was just to pick artists that people didn't really know and some that they did know. And so I just wanted to pick different artists who are diverse in their work as well as their identity.
So the pictures serve both as windows and mirrors for the children. So they're mirrors, and they can see themselves in the pictures, so a child playing in the rain. But they also serve as windows as they can see more diverse people, representations of others that they might not see on a day-to-day basis. And they're great for conversation starters, and also just can be kind of nice, calming images for the kids.
We also wanted to make sure to include new labels for the learning centers. So you'll see that they're in English, they're in Hindi, and they're also in Farsi as well.
My colleagues and I came up with the idea of printing out dishes, and behind it is the name of the dish, and it also features like an ingredient list of how they can make it. We think it's a good idea because it's a great way of bringing diversity into the center, and that way the provider can pick out dishes from different cultures of the world, and just introducing like dishes that the kids aren't normally used to seeing in their own homes.
So we definitely put up a display here that represents people of different ages and abilities, different family types, different careers. We also have a selection of dolls for kids to play with of different races. And we have a variety of food options that are stored in the kitchen area. They're actually in the doors.
My daughter, at home, we incorporate our culture, our native ways into our home lifestyle. In the past, when I've looked at child programs, child center programs and preschool programs for my daughter to get involved in, I look at what the perspective of the provider and the teacher, how their approach is with the children, and how I observe their surroundings and how they teach the kids, how they play with the kids. And for me, that helps me to determine whether that's a place that my daughter can be herself.
Yeah, one of our data collectors, Gulchakra, she went and met with some of her friends, and they gathered up some really great cultural materials to bring today.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah. And she also brought these some really beautiful dolls.
Wow.
This is cute. And the feel of different fabrics.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the food. There's different selections of things that they see in their kitchen, in their homes. And we can add more to it.
That's right. Some people brought in some things from their home to add into the dramatic play food.